We just had a train come to a stop over here on Taylor Road in Elgin, Texas, on the Waco subdivision here. She came to a full stop. She's powering off. She's already passed the distance, so I'm not sure why she stopped. That's certainly odd. I'll keep videoing as soon as she pulls out. So she's been sitting here a grand total of 26 minutes already. She went ahead and, holy crap, their brights are on now. The car behind me, I mean. Hi. Sheesh, those things are bright. Anyway, she pulled back earlier. I don't really necessarily know what they're doing. So hopefully they move soon. I hear air brakes again, but there's no telling if they're actually gonna go somewhere. I thought I'd just point this out. Originally I was thinking, I didn't say it on screen, but I was thinking maybe it hit something. I just saw a brigade of like police and highway vehicles going down the track, down the highway towards the line. And I wonder if it hit something, because I mean, I don't see its ditch lights being out, and it did reverse, so I don't know, but I'll definitely let y'all know if it moves. But my phone's also at 5% right now, so I'm on dangerous territory with a battery. Anyways, I'm gonna go charge my phone up, and hopefully this thing moves pretty soon. She goes, I was literally just walking away. Come on, which way are you going? Come on, no. No, bad train. Come back. You're going the wrong way. No. Wait, are you? No, she's pulling forwards now. Good, 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 good. It's really good. She's just taking her gosh darn time. She just came to a stop again. She's pacing back and forth for some reason. I don't know. That's just odd if you ask me. I don't know what the heck they're doing. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my phone a much needed charge and come back if I hear them. Other than that, that'll be it for now, until the train moves, which will probably be the next clip you see. Y'all remember that train that I was videoing last night? Well, it is now 7 a.m. still here. That video was taken at 9 p.m. last night. What? So I'm assuming, and this is a wild guess, but I'm assuming either like a coupler on the loco broke or something. I don't know. There's an MOW truck out here. It just now got here though. They've been sitting there all night. I'll try and film this thing when it takes off. But yeah. Pretty crazy that thing's been sitting here all night. So they just threw her into reverse again. Now there's a guy sitting out there, a little person. But yeah, so it looks to me like the first unit is a Union Pacific. What I do believe both of them actually look like they're all old Union Pacific Dash 8s. Rebuilt obviously into newer units, but it looks like they're no flag units, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'll definitely be filming it as soon as they start moving. MOW truck left. Is she rolling up again? Don't know what they're doing, truthfully. I don't think they're having mechanical issues. Because that high rail truck just came up and then left, and then they rolled backwards again. So every time they roll up and back, it's probably just the slack on the cars, but I don't wonder if maybe they're trying to recouple something that came uncoupled last night. I don't know. Looks like they're sitting still. I'll come back out as soon as they move. So I just heard that unit, that lead unit, doing some weird idle that I've never heard before, and I think it really is having mechanical issues. That right there. Here comes another high rail. I wonder where they left to. Pretty weird. This train's been blocking the line for 9 hours now, so I'm really not sure what they're doing. I'll come back if I see anything else, but it is actually getting really cold out here. It actually got under 70 degrees in the Texas summer. That's actually pretty nice. Oh wait, hold on, that's not correct. Why are they leaving? So, UP, you actually like figure out where you're going. You actually like figure out where you're going. I don't know if y'all caught it in that last clip, but that was a pretty cool UP crew. I don't know if they were lost or if they just wanted to come back by and honk at me. But if you turn up your volume in that last clip, you can hear them honk at me. It's pretty cool. Hopefully they move here in a minute and I'll be able to film them. They very officially just blew off. They did that little double honk. She's rolling. Now I was gonna try and make it to the crossing, but considering the speed this thing's about to get, I don't think I would have time. Truthfully, I think the train would literally pass me while I'm running. Oh, by the way, they are both flagged units. Second is actually fresh paint. Oh, what the...